Hello guys, welcome to Ask IITians. My name is Gaurav Yadav. Right? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss a session about surface. Sorry, we will discuss about circles, right? That is very much important for your 9th standard, for your 10th standard, even for your 11th and 12th, right? Any questions from your CMAs and your Olympiad, you ask them, right? Let me just share your screen. Yeah, guys. So in class 9, your circle's weightage will be around 3 to 6 months. Okay. So today we will cover topic like area and perimeter of segment. I think segment you all know. Okay. Area and perimeter of your segment. Your angle subtended by a chord and a point. Then perpendicular from center to a chord. Then circle through 3 points. These topics will be covered today. So first point is area and perimeter of segment, right? Let me tell you what is segment. A segment is the area that is traced out by a chord, right? If a chord is there, then chord will divide the circle into segment. One will be the minor and another will be the major. But if your chord is your diameter, then these both are semicircles, right? And in this case, this is your minor segment. I think the point is clear to you. Right? And this will be your major segment. Right, guys? So before starting to your segment, let me just tell you what we have to study or what we should at least know, right? If in a circle, right, in a circle, an arc is there. Any arc is there. Suppose this A and B is an arc, then this will subtend any sense of any angle at center. Suppose that angle is theta, right? So this will be your sector, right? What will be the area of the sector? What will be the area of your sector? We have already studied, or we should know at least, your area of sector will be equal to pi of r square multiplied theta upon 360. Okay, when your theta is in degree, guys. Okay, uh, you should know the comparison or the conversion of your degree into theta, right? Degree into your radian, right? Angle. Suppose in pi radian, I'm talking about radian, and pi radian is equal to your 180 degree. So by this, you can easily convert your theta into degree and your degree into radian. Okay. So I think area of sector is much clear. Now we will going to discuss about your segment. Segment is something which is traced by the chord, right? So this is segment. We will now discuss what will be the area of segment, what will be the perimeter of a segment, right? Okay. So our first point is area and perimeter of segment. What will be the area of this segment? Okay. Let me just have a bigger picture for you. Suppose circle is there. Circle is there. And a segment is also there. If this is a segment, and suppose this segment makes an angle of suppose theta, right? Suppose the segment is A and B. AB is a chord, O is a center. This is your segment area. Okay, what will be the area of segment? Area of segment. Area of segment must be equal to, if I take out the area of sector and subtract area of triangle AOB, then you will get easily your area of segment. So area of segment is basically your area of sector. Area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB, right? What is the area of sector AOB? AOB sector is, if it is your radius R, then sector of area is equal to your pi R square theta upon 360. I think this is clear to you. What is area of triangle AOB? AOB is a triangle of having radius R. It is an isosceles triangle. So its area must be half R square into sin theta, right? We'll let you know why it is half R square sin theta. So your R square by 2 or R square by 2 will be common. Then theta upon 180 into pi minus of sin theta. So theta upon 180 is basically in degree. If your theta is in degree, then just put this formula, theta in degree. But if your theta is in radian, suppose you have got radian theta, and 180 upon pi, just multiply 180 upon pi, then it will be equal to your r square upon 2 pi theta minus tan theta. Just 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 calculate this one, right? R square by 2 pi theta upon 180 minus sin theta, where theta is in degree, right guys? So it is basically the same thing. Here your theta is in radian. Okay, just always read out for your segment, just area of your sector minus area of triangle, you will get the value of your area of your segment, right? Now let us do question for it. It will be more clear, right? So find the area of segment corresponding to the arc subtending at an angle of 60 degree at the center. So question is given, angle of 60 degrees is given. If your AB is your chord, and the green one you have to find. You have to find the green one, this segment. You have to find the green shaded region. So what will be the green shaded region? Your area of segment will be equal to your area of segment. Your area of segment will be equal to your area of segment will be equal to your area of sector. Your area of sector minus area of your triangle AOB. Right or not? I think this is right. If you subtract area of triangle from your area of sector, you will get the area of segment, which is green part, green one, right? What is area of sector? Area of sector AOB, right? Area of sector will be equal to pi r square theta upon 60, pi r square theta upon 360, right? Minus area of triangle. So basically, your area of triangle will be your half r square into sin theta. I will let you know why. Because suppose in this diagram, your theta will be separated by 30 degree and 30 degree both. Your OB is your 6. Just tell me what will be the length of OC. OC will be your 6 cos 30. OC will be your 6 cos 30, right? And what will be your BC? BC will be your 6 sin 30, right? So area of triangle, what will be the length of AB? AB length will be 12 sin 30. AB length will be your 12 sin 30. and your OC is your 6 6 cos 30 cos theta, let me write, right? So area of triangle will be your half base into height, half base. What is base? Base is 12 and 30. 12 and 30 into your 6 cos theta, right? Then at the value of theta, you will get the area of triangle half r square into sin theta, right? So pi, what is radius r? R radius is 6, and your 6 square will become 36 into theta. What is theta? Subtended by angle at the chord. Chord subtended is 60 degree. Just write 60 upon 360, right? Minus 1 by 2 r square. Radius is 6, 6 square 36 into sin 60. Theta into sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 upon 2. Okay. So 36 and 36 will cancel out. 0 and 0 will cancel out. It will become 6 pi. 6 pi. Right? Minus 4 will cancel out. 36 into 9. 6 pi minus 9 root 3 will be your answer. Right? Just write the value of pi and then value of root 3. You will get the desired answer. Right? So your 6 minus 9 root 3 is your centimeter square is your answer. Let me just remind you why it is the area of triangle half r squared sin theta. Okay. Suppose this is your triangle, any triangle having radius r. So both radius will be r, and this angle is your theta. If I break this, it will be theta by 2, right? This will be a 90-degree. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle. I'm just talking about its length. Its length is like if this is A, B, and this point O, center O, and suppose this medium point is your C. What will be the length of OC? I'm writing OC. OC will be your R cos theta by 2. OC will be your R cos theta by 2. I think this is right. Okay. What is the length of BC? Your BC will be your R sin theta by 2, right? R sin theta by 2, right? So what will be the length of AB? AB will be your 2R sin theta by 2. Okay. So what is the length area of triangle? Area of triangle will be equal to half base. What is base? Base is AB. AB 2R sin theta by 2, right? Into base into height. Height is R cos theta by 2. R cos theta by 2, right? R and R will become R square. R square. And half is also there. Your this 2 sin theta and cos theta will become 2 sin theta cos theta is your sin 2 theta, sin of 2 theta, and theta is your theta by 2. 2 to cancel, it will become sin theta. Or just remind always know the formula that area of triangle in case of both are the same, half r square making an angle theta will be equal to half r square sin theta, right? So now we'll move forward for your perimeter of your segment. Right, guys, your segment is just basically this gray area, right? I have already told that your segment area, or just whenever you have to calculate your perimeter of any body, right? Just be at a single point and just revolve around the body of your body of your anything, right? If in this case this is segment, so just walk through it. If you're at this point, then you have to make you have to go from this line to this line, right? So this is basically your arc. So you have to go for length of an arc plus from this point you have to go in this way, and this is your length of chord. So basically your perimeter of segment will be equal to a length of chord plus length of arc. I think length of arc is very much clear to you. We have already studied that your length of chord, length of arc is basically 2 pi r into theta upon 360, right? We have already studied length of an arc. What will be the length of your chord? Length of chord will be your 2 r sin theta by 2, right? Because your length of a chord is your AB. AB is the length of chord, which is equal to 2 r sin theta by 2, your base, right? So AB is your 2 r sin theta by 2. I think the point is very much clear to you all. Just try to solve this question. Just try to solve this question. What is the length of the shaded uh, segment, right? Which is shaded. Calculate the length of the segment which is shaded. Calculate the length of the segment which is shaded. Shaded, your gray part is your segment. How will you calculate the length of segment? Your perimeter, it is just asking about your perimeter of your segment. So your perimeter of your segment include this length of an arc, right? From suppose this A point and this your B point. Then it is asking your length AB. You have to calculate. Chord AB plus chord AB plus your arc AB, right? Yes, you have to. Okay, you have to calculate your chord AB and your arc AB. I have already told, like if in a triangle, a triangle is there. We are talking about your triangle AOB, right? ABO. 160 angle is made. 160 angle is made, right? What will be the length of AB? Will be your length of chord, right? And AB length, like this radius is your 10 meter, right? So AB length will be your 2 r sin theta by 2. Your chord AB will be your 2 r sin theta by 2. Why? Because just divided, this will be your theta by 2, this length will be your r sin theta by 2, the whole length will be your 2 r sin theta by 2. I think the point is clear, very much clear to you, right? Plus arc AB. Your arc AB is basically your length of an arc, which is calculated by 2 pi r into theta upon 360, right? Okay. So it is basically 2 into r. 2 into r. What is r? R is your radius 10. So 2 into 10 will become 20. Then sine theta by 2. Your theta is your 160. Then 160 by 2 will be your 80 degree. 80 degree. Plus 2 pi r. Again, your r is your 10. Then 2 into 10 will be 20. 20 pi. 20 pi theta upon 360. Theta is 160. 160 upon 360. 160 divided by 360, right? 0 will cancel out. Then it will become 20 sin 80 plus 20 pi will cancel out of 4 is 16, 4 upon 9 into 4 upon 9. If you further add, it will become, it will become, right? 20 sine 80 and 25 into 4 upon 9. Just put the value of pi. You will get 4 upon 9. And in question, definitely they will give you the value of sine 80. You do not need to calculate the value of sine 80, right? In question, it will be given the value of sine 80, right? So in this way, just read out the solution. In this way, your solution will be there, right? Sanity value, sanity will be known to you. Okay. Prove another question is there. Prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal. Okay. So we need to prove if chords of congruent circle, these circles are congruent. Right? Whenever circles are congruent, it means their radius are same. If this radius is r, this radius is r, then your OC and OB will definitely be R, right? Because these are congruent circles. Subtend equal angle at the center. The question is telling like your angle subtended is equal. Suppose this angle is of theta. Now obviously your CD will be also be theta, right? Your CD will also be theta. Then the chords are equal. We need to prove that your AB and CD should be equal, right? This is what we need to prove. To prove. Okay, guys, I think the point is clear to you that your AB and CD should be equal. How will you prove? The question is, how will you prove? If chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then the chords are equal. How will you prove, guys? Okay, so to prove AB is equal to CD is just part of a triangle. So let us take in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle COD. We have taken two triangle AOB and COD, right? So AO is equal to CO. Why? Because radius, right? AO is equal to CO, and your OB is equal to your OD. Why? Because of the same reason, radius, right? And also angle AOB is equal to angle of COD. Angle of COD. Why? Because it is given that they subtend equal angle. So by SAS, side angle side, these triangles are triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. If these triangles are congruent, then by CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle, your AB will be equal to your CD, right? Guys, this is just a question, and also take it as a theorem, right? Like whenever two congruent circles subtend equal angle at the center, then the chords must be equal. Your AB must be equal to your CD, right? Also, you know that if radius is same and it is subtending an equal angle, then also the chord must be same. I think the point is very much clear to you all, right? We'll move forward. This is the base. Okay, the solution is wrong, right? The solution is wrong. I've done right. Just mug up this and forget this. So our next topic is perpendicular form center to a chord. Okay, center is there and right, and chord is there. Then you perpendicular form your center. The point is perpendicular of chord bisects the chord if drawn from the center. Okay, if perpendicular is drawn to your chord AB, then it will just bisect it. It means you need to prove your AD is equal to your BD. This is what you need to prove. First, First, always keep in mind when you that as perpendicular from the center to the core will bisect the core. Always keep in mind the result. Now we'll now prove it, right? Okay. So basically, we'll take two triangle the same way. We'll take two triangle in triangle A O D and triangle B O D, right? Your AO is equal to BO. Why? Radius, right? Your angle ADO, your angle ADO is equal to your angle BDO. Why? Because of 90-degree given. It is given and you are drawing a perpendicular, okay? And your OD is equal to OD common. So I basically by your basically RHS, your right angle hypotenuse side, where these two triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOD, right? So in that case, AO will be equal to your sorry your AD. Your AD will be equal to your BD. Why? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I think the point is very much clear to you, right? Always just keep in mind the result we have obtained that any perpendicular from the center to the chord will bisect the chord, right? Okay, we'll now do question. Just try to do this question, guys. Just try to do this question that AD is a diameter to the circle. AD is a diameter to a circle and AB is a chord. AD is given, if AD is given, right, and AB is given, the distance of AB from the center of the circle. Just find out the distance of AB from the center of the circle, right? Pause the video or just first draw the diagram and just try to calculate what will be the right. So the question is, if AD is a diameter of a circle, any circle is there, AD is a diameter and AB is a chord. Okay, let us try, right? AD is a diameter. A circle is there, AD is a diameter, right? So let's suppose this A and D is a diameter with center O. AB is a chord. AB, like suppose this will start from A, right? AB is a chord. Your AD is 34, it means your radius will be 17, right? And AB is 30. AB is a 30, okay. The distance of AB from the center of, okay. So the question is, like if you, this will be a perpendicular, this will be your OB will be your 17 and your point, let's suppose MB will be your 15. Just need to calculate the OM, right? So I think OM will be your, just calculate what will be the OM. You know the radius. You know the radius will be your 17. Then just by having your Pythagoras theorem, you can easily calculate what will be. So the question is this, like, right? AD is your diameter 17, right? Okay, so the nice diagram is drawn here, right? You know the radius, the AD is your diameter, radius is 17. Then this will be a perpendicular, right? If this is your 30, if any perpendicular drawn from the center, then it will bisect the chord. So it means your AL will be a 15. Your AL will be a 15. Just calculate the OL. OL will be your under root of 17 square minus of 15 square. If you calculate your 17 square minus 15 square, it will become 8, right? Just take the positive value. Why? Because it is the distance and cannot be negative, right? So I think the point is very much clear. It was easy, right? Okay, guys. So practice questions are there for you. Just try to solve your first question. Try to solve your first question, right? Calculate the perimeter of your mana segment. You have to calculate the perimeter of your mana segment. This we have already told that your perimeter of your mana segment will be equal to your, like suppose this point of is your A, this point is B, the same diagram, this point is O. Perimeter of your mana segment will be equal to chord AB plus length of arc AB, right? What will be the length, chord of AB? I have already told you that in any triangle, if having radius r, then this is theta, then chord AB will be equal to 2r sin theta by 2. 2r sin theta by 2. So it will be basically 2r sin 40, because your theta is your 18, theta by 2 will be 40, 2r 40. 2r sin 40, what is r? R is 6. Then it will be 6 to the 12 sin 40 degree, right? Plus length of an arc. Length of an arc will be equal to your 2 pi r. R is your 6. 2 pi r. Theta upon 360. 80 upon 360, I guess. 2 pi r theta upon 60. 6 to the 12. 12 will cancel out. 360 into 0, 0 will cancel out. And 12 will cancel 3. And 8 pi by 3. It will be equal to your 8 pi by 3. So basically, this is your answer, right? The question will provide you the value of sine 40. So just put the value of sine 40 and put the value of pi. You will get your value 16.09. I think the point is clear to you, right? Okay, so we'll just try to solve this question. Your next question. Try to solve your next question. Try solving your next question, guys. In question, AD is diameter of circle and AB is a chord, right? If AD, okay, I think this is the same question. Okay, so AD is your 34 centimeter. What will be this radius? Your radius will be equal to 17 centimeter, right? And AB is 30. You know by property that if a perpendicular is drawn from the center to the chord, then it will just bisect the chord. Your whole AB length is your 30, then your half will be your 15, right? You know the value of radius. This OB is also radius, which is equal to 70. So in triangle OBM, in triangle OBM, just put the formula in Pythagoras theorem. OBM, your OB square is equal to your OM square plus your MB square, right? Your OB square is your 17 square is equal to OM square. You need to find out your OM, right? OM square plus MB square. MB square is 15 square, right? Put the value and you will get your OM is equal to 8, right? Or just keep in mind that it is basically a triplet, right? Right, your 3, 4, and then it will be your 5, right? In a triangle, right angle triangle, this is 4, this is 3, and then this is your 5, right? Just mark up this in a right angle triangle. If 17 is there, then if 15 is there, then it will be basically your 8, right? These are basic triplets you should know, right? Or just find out. I think, guys, my point is clear, right? And we have all calculated the perimeter of segment and area of segment. I think the point is clear. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your time. Thanks a lot. Thank you.